We are from
Group 2! For this school assignment, we will make blue ocean drink. Let's go!
Let's go.
The purpose of this video is so that you can make blue ocean drinks for the business or just drink with your family or your friends. Well, I think enough and let's get started.
Ingredients: orange flavor syrup, blue soda, basil seeds, lemon, and ice.
First step, prepare a glass and pour the orange syrup into the glass about 50 ml. Then give ice until it's full. Second, cut the middle of the lemon into thin slices. Then put the lemon and 1 tablespoon of basil seeds in a glass.
The blue soda into the glass slowly so as not to spoil the syrup. Here we use the Bicola brand, but you can use other brands. The important thing is blue soda.
Finally, this is blue ocean with basil seeds and lemon wedges. I know.
What do you know?
Yeah, what do you know, bro?
Blue ocean.
What? Blue ocean? Blue ocean is behind us for me. No.
Yeah. No, not the ocean. But this ocean.
Wow! 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 Ya, cukup dong, cukup dong.
Okay. Wait. Ta-da! Don't forget to try it. Thank you for watching. Bye.